Welcome back. We're here live at the 2018 International Pizza Expo. A lot of competitions going on right now, and this lady right next to me has her dough in at least one of the competitions. And Kim, this is a gluten-free dough. Everybody's radar goes up. They want to find a good tasting one, and that's what you have. Tell us a little bit about your company and the flour that you have in these competitions.
Well, we have a dough in the competitions. We have several people competing in the gluten-free division, which is perfect because we do gluten-free dough. And I'm excited to see how they do tomorrow. And what else was the question? I'm sorry.
Well, it's very easy.
Noise going on back
there is a lot of noise because I think it's all about WildFlower Bakery. You know, a big step here at the show is really introducing people to the fact that, yeah, we have gluten-free, but we have a gluten-free that tastes good. And once your patrons understand that and learn about it, they're going to be beating a path to your door as well.
I hope so. We actually have more than pizza dough. We do a cookie dough as well. So our pizza dough won let's see, we've had the 2015 Parma, Italy World Pizza Triathlon that we took back in 2015. And in 2017, our pizza doughs won the National Restaurant Association's Fabby Award. And then this year, our cookie dough took the Fabby Award as well. So we're very excited.
So award-winning dough that's going to give a pizza, bread, and dessert to our patrons.
Absolutely. You should be able to go into a restaurant and order anything from soup to nuts, right? Appetizers to dessert, and it should be able to be gluten-free.
Well, I tell you what, you have a perfect solution. Everybody out there is saying, I really want to learn more. What's the best way for them to do so?
We have a website. It's wildflowerbakery.biz. You can also call your food distributors. We're with most broadliners as vendors. And you can also give us a call.
Easy enough. Kim, thanks so much for being on again.
Thank you. I appreciate it.